Okay, so we're gonna log in, and if you are still a beginner, then perhaps it's better to stick to the single track flamenco loop player for the moment. And also, we are not yet composing, so that we need certain flamenco percussion tracks playing something totally exact on certain locations in the loop. So let's choose some nice and tempo suitable flamenco loop that will serve us in this exact situation. It can be one tempo loop for me, other tempo loop for you. It depends on like a million variables, so don't chase the speed. I'm gonna sound like a parrot again. Don't chase the speed, it will caught up with you eventually without you even noticing it, trust me. It happened to me, it will happen to you. By the way, since I heard that Paco de Lucia has the same problems and issues to solve as us common mortals do, it felt like a huge weight came off my shoulders. I mean, I'm speaking in present tense because his spirit is still here with us. He has the same problems to solve that we have. Whether to start with the I or the M finger, or will it easier go from the passage to the chord if it ended with A finger instead of M, for example. I mean, wow, it's a huge revelation for me. And I know I'm on the right track, whatever I do, and that is huge. That is huge. Trust me, that's a huge thing. Okay, let's go to playing.